sengishadile
hayi makuzwakala kahle manje ngicela umuntu osisihlale usifundise usale sengisibulala ake daqile magama
into esenhlizweni yami kodwa ngibathandekayo ile yokukhonza uNkulunkulu, i-fivefold ministry in fact chapter 4 verse 11 ka-Ephesians asizofunda lo verse namhlanje. Ithi leya nto wathi uJesu uzolakha ibandla, maselakhile wastructurisha ngendlela ethize, ngendlela ethize alisethe ngayo ibandla. Amongst that wakhipha abantu abanye indlela yakhe yokustructurisha. Bakhona abantu abakhiphayo, ababizayo, ababeka eceleni, basebenza kanye naye to equip the church ukuze ikwazi ukukhonza uNkulunkulu. Abantu abakhonza uNkulunkulu noma bayibandla abaveli ezulwini, bavela emhlabeni. Abanye bayizangoma, abanye bazalwa izangoma, abanye bayizayoni, abanye banazaretha, abanye babe-Islami, Muslim. Kwingcibo evanayo uJesu babebakhipha nje from all kindreds and tongues and nations ezobaqoqela ke. Khona abantu-ke okufanele bafundise ukuthi wasenilana-ke kulo Nkulunkulu wasezulwini uzokhonzwa njani, yena akakhonzwa njengaloya wasezayoni alizungeza insika, bakhonzwa kunendlela yakhona. Bakuthiwa lawo bantu abayi-fivefold ministry, they work with God to equip the saints for the work of the ministry. Awukho into engiyaziyo engishoyo. But laphana we-ministry, this work of the ministry, ngizizwa ngokukhulumela phezulu, correct? Mina personally, in my own study, divided into about 4. Ukuthi-ke when babenza lo msebenzi kumele bafundise abazalwane izinto eziwu-4. Each one-ke mhlawumbe ingaba-wide, kodwa kufanele abazalwane bakwazi to minister to God, bakwazi ukukhonza uNkulunkulu. Hhayi uma ukhonza uNkulunkulu angisho uku-attenda inkonzo, ukukhonza uNkulunkulu unasekhaya lapho uwedwa nje, ukwazi ukuminister to God. Umkhonzo like you minister to God, they need to teach you that, and they must also teach you to minister to the saints, which is ministering to one another. You know, Lana, we are not ministering to God, we are ministering to one another through God. We are ministering to one another ngezinto esizithathe enkosini. Njengoba ngilana nje ngizokhuluma nani, angizange ngizokhuluma noNkulunkulu, ngizokhuluma nani. I'm ministering to you, kodwa I'm not ministering to you ngezinto zami, I'm ministering to you ngezinto ekufanele ngiqiniseke ukuthi ngizithole enkosini. Noma ngiyahlabelela, noma ngiyafakaza, noma ngiyathandaza, noma ngithini, I'm doing that amongst you and to you, but ngezinto zasenkosini. Ngoba mangizokwami ngezinto, mangiminister izinto zami, anakheki bantu, but mangiministerisha to the church with God's things, engizithole ngenkathi mina ngiministerisha to God njengompriest. Okwesithathu, we must be able to minister to the sinners. We must be taught to minister to the sinner, like ukufakaza ezonini okunye kwakho, but it's not all of it. It's a big ministry level, ukuministerisha kubantu abangakholwayo, bangalithuki ivangeli ngawo. noma ukhuluma nabo, noma uyabahlumayeza, noma uhleli nabo, noma uyabaseva nje ukuthela ebhenki, noma ushaya ithili ka-Shoprite. You're serving the people, abangaphola, but you must minister to them. Verse 4, you must be able to defend the gospel. Bangakwazi ukudefend ibhayibheli. Ukwenza into ekuthiwa yi-apologist. Apologia. Sound apology. Ube apologetic. Not to look close. Or I must be able to defend lento kuyo. Okusho umfana uyazi. Ungapheshulwa imimoya nje. Pheshulwa imimoya ngaphandle, pheshulwa imimoya. Khona nemoya ngaphakathi. Sikeleke ivangeli kusele uye khona. Amele ushele usele ufika umuntu nezimanga shaya izimangaliso undize naye. Inde khambo uyenze ngathi ezinkulu kunalezo ujike nayo. Fanele wazi ukuthi mangabuza nje la are you 100% sure akekho umuntu ongaya kuNkulunkulu ngaphandle kaJesu? Sure. Senze convinced ngalokho. So usenze istudy waqiniseka ukuthi I guaranteed and impossible ukuthi khona umuntu ongaya kuJesu kuNkulunkulu engadlulanga kuJesu. Wena ngoba uyabona ukubhalwe uJohane. Kodwa wena ngokwakho uyakuvuma lokho ngoba bazokubuza abantu uqinisekile ngoba abantu abayezulini laba bangazange bezwe uJesu ngomthini ngami babuze wena uqala alangami ayikho kodwa abantu akekho kodwa usihayi kodwa la at the back of your mind is hayi kodwa yenzeka kanjani kanti fanele ube convinced. Mabekubuza ukwazi uyidefend uyimeke yona. Alo. Nje bekhotha udengeza abazalwane bayeka bethimula befuna inyamazane zasenkosini lutho na uthimulisa. Ayazilinge nje kufuna iring nje. So you must be able to minister to the saints. And then you must be able to minister to the sinners. That's where I want to defend the gospel. Those 4 things, mina nje ngesingami ngicabanga ukuthi ubambe lezo 4. Uqeqeshwe lapho, waqeqeshwa nje lapho, wavuthwa. Hayi. Sathana ngihamba esiqogqini abuya phinda kuye. Singaqiniseka ngakho. Le ngxenye engiyithatha-ke mina more on the defense of the gospel. Asifundeni ke chapter 7 Hebrews from verse 22. Hebrews 7:22.
Ngokungakho-ke uJesu waba yisiboniso sesivumelwano esingcwele. Kulabo-ke baba baningi ababekwa babe ngabapristi, ngokuba bathiyeka ngenxa yokufa, ukuba baqhube njalo. Verse 24. Kepha yena ngenxa yokuba ehlala phakade unobupristi obungenakuguquka. Ngakho-ke unamandla okusindisa ngokupheleleyo abeza kuNkulunkulu ngaye.
Eyami version ithi iBhayibheli liyabakubheka inamandla bakubheka wakaJesu noma kwaJesu lithi 22. Through this oath, Jesus became the guarantee or the guarantor of a better covenant. And the former priests were numerous because they were hindered from serving because of death. Indaba yami ila ekuthenini ngiyafisa masiphuma la uqiniseke kakhudlwana kunesikhathi ongene ngaso ngensindiso oyamukelele, if at all you are saved. Ngakhuluma ngelinye ilanga ukuthi if I were to give this small talk yami a topic bengizothi ngayenza ngakhuluma ngayo before from another angle. Namhlanje sokhuluma ngayo from another, or from one angle now from another. Ukuthi salvation is an act of God. Salvation is an act of God. In fact, it is a sovereign act of God. What is a sovereign act? God. Ukusindiswa kwakho, through and through, is an act of when we saw. In fact, indaba yakho is closed, was done and dusted. You were a sinner, judged and sentenced to hell. Closed, done, dusted. Who opened again the docket. Esiqedile indaba yakho. Highway. When you were ready for hell, you didn't know that. Ngiyavuma ungakwazi. Bonke labantu abaphandle lapha, they are ready for hell, ready. Ukuthi uNkulunkulu usephinde ngoJesu wayivula idocket. Ukuthi singaphinde siyixoxe le ndaba. Ebeziqedile. And it's him ovula idocket, hayi wena. Uma decide otherwise kule docket. You can't uzishaya isifuba manje ukuthi mina yini ngoba wena ujike emnyango wesibhoko. But God. Nakuba kuyakhuluma. It is God. Now, kunezinto-ke azenzileyo ukuze insindiso yamukeleyo ingaphindi question. Ngoba kuyaquestionwa ukuthi why umuntu oyisoni obekufanele esibhokweni who deserves hell by all means aphinde angene ezulwini avunyelwe uNkulunkulu who is holy. Usenza kanjani isoni singene ezulwini uNkulunkulu oholy without violating his character? Kwenzeka kanjani lo? Now, kwemphola ukuthi uNkulunkulu banezinto azenzayo practically azenzayo zenzeke ukuze ukusindiswa kwakho kungaquestionwa naphakade. Ngoba uyena okwenzeka ngeke bakuquestione wena. Ingelosi noma ngeke bakuquestione wena ngoba wena yini into oyenzile. Bazoquestiona yena. Ukuthi Nkosi soqedisa amasitani usathane wona engikwazi wona kayiwana ngazi ngoba kwaba kanti kodwa engikwazi ukodwa akwenza engikwazi wa throw out and will never. Usathane akekho esibhokweni. Kodwa indaba yakhe is done and dusted neyakho enjalo. Awukho kwawungekho esibhokweni kodwa indaba yakho wasile. Nosathane usakuzana naye esibhokweni Sathane is roaming around khona angazi ukuthi namhlanje. But it's roaming around. I don't care. Kodwa ngeke ngikwazi ukuthi angeke esibhokweni. But lokho akushintsha ukuthi angeke saphela ngesajika lokho. Nathi situation enjengaleyo. But God, God. Wathi wabuya amadocket, siqale phansi, siyixoxe leza. Khona engisangakwenza ngalesimo. Now, nazi into futhi engicela sizibanga. uNkulunkulu example asenzele yona kwa-Israel, ngoba isizwe that was founded by God, God's nation. Let alone ukuthi bayalwa lapha eGaza, babulala abantu, whatever. Yeah. But those are the people of God. That nation was founded by God. Inezinto eziwu-3 in leadership emengazo. Kwa-Israel kufanele kube nenkosi who deals with political matters between the people nenhlalakahle yabo la emhlabeni. He's an adjudicator yama-matters, we judge between ama-matters abantu. The king does that. Now try King's Court. Says now, bese bakhona umuntu okuthiwa kufanele bekhona omuntu okuthiwa umprofeti. Now a prophet yena is a person who stands for God amongst the people. Aga sympathize nabantu, he sympathizes with God. Umprofeti nje akahleki nabantu. Well, not literally ukuthi akahleki nabantu in a literal sense. Uyahleka nabantu lakini kodwa he is always sympathizing with God. Uzwa ukuthi uNkulunkulu uthini bese etshela abantu. Kodwa akezwe ukuthi abantu bathini bese etshela uNkulunkulu. Akamtsheli ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngabantu. Akekho umuntu ozabuye ezomphalela ngaphandle bezo exercise his own power uNkulunkulu amnike yona to help that person. Kodwa akathatha ama-petitions abantu awayise uNkulunkulu, uthatha akaNkulunkulu awalethe ebantwini. So he stands for God. Mabebona ukuthi uprofeti esukuma nje, they know uNkulunkulu has something to say. Bese bakhona wesithathu okuthiwa umpriest. Umpriest does not hear, akakhulumi lutho ngoNkulunkulu, khuluma ngabantu kuNkulunkulu. Umpriest, he represents people before God. Prophet represents God before people. Inkosi is adjudicating ama-matters abantu from one person to another. The social life yabantu mabempi now thina-ke namhlanje ukuze-ke enye yezinto uNkulunkulu ayenzile to save you or to save us, usivusele umpriest. Esinye sestrategy sakhe ngoba we are sinners, we can't stand before God. Avusa umuntu ozosirepresent before him. Asilandeke indaba yompriest ukuthi qhamuka kusizwe kahle. Now, mabephuma e-Egypt, abantu bakwa-Israel, they were a nation, they had 11 tribes. Engiqinisekile ukuthi abanye bethu ngeke bazibale zonke. Ngombe ba? Isizwe sakwa-Israel sizu-11, ngombe ba? Kodwa amongst those tribes, khona isizwe sabaLevi. Okay, kwenzeka kanje, I'm short. Nkathi kuphuma e-Egypt, uNkulunkulu wathi akubhaqele igazi emakhothameni eminyango i-doorpost yakhumbula ukuze kuseyivwe ama-firstborns. Bakwenza lokho abakwa-Israel. Bangakwenzi abase-Egypt. Bafa. Now, Egypt akufanga wonke umuntu, bafa ama-firstborns kuphela. Nabakwa-Israel kwangeke kufe wonke umuntu. Uma mina ngithi nje angiyona i-firstborn. Noma wangagcotshwanga gazi, angeke ngife kodwa. Ngoba kwangafi wonke umuntu okufa ama-firstborn. As a result, uNkulunkulu mase kuphuma e-Egypt wathi ama-firstborns they are mine, I redeemed them, I saved them. Esifweni ebesikhona, I saved those people. So they are my people. They were saved by blood, just like you. That's how ngoba uNkulunkulu wabasindisa ngegazi baba abantu bakhe. Njengoba nawe wakusindisa wakuthenga ngegazi, wakusindisa ngegazi, now you become his own possession, a peculiar kaNkulunkulu. Now makufika ngase-Jordan for the first time, lokuqala uNkulunkulu wathi ucela kuridimwe amazibulo awaphindele emuva kuthathwe a nation yakwaLevi you are the place angena kanjalo ukubona they become God's tribe babe tribe kaNkulunkulu. From amongst them uNkulunkulu wathatha ubaba oyi-one ubhuti kaMoses okuthiwa u-Aaron waba u-high priest, and then amanye ama-Levites I think ama-Kohathites aba abapriest wona